looking at two systems that I'm watching right now. One of those to our southwest, one of those to our northwest. We're going to start talking about this system that's really been causing a lot of problems in the south central plains. Now, this pink shade that you see here is mixed precipitation that includes a lot of freezing rain they've been dealing with in Texas. This is going to be kept south, though, thanks to high pressure that's in control in our region. The only thing we're going to see out of this are some of these clouds that are on the northern fringe of that filtering through. Most of them have been fairly thin, but I'm looking for that to try and help us out a little bit in temperatures tonight. We are sitting in the 20s across most of the area. Northern fringe, eastern parts of the viewing area have dropped into the teens, and I'm looking for lows settling into about the middle teens overnight tonight. Now, as we kick off the day tomorrow, yes, the morning commute won't feel much different from how it was this morning, but you still have 2 more cold mornings to go after that, even with the warm-up coming into tomorrow afternoon. You can see there's a big change in how those lows are going to be by the end of the weekend and next week. Now, the second system that brings those big changes that I'm looking for, it's this cold front to our northwest and the Arctic air that's going to dive in behind it. We'll see that setting up here tomorrow night, impacting our weather during our Friday. Now, thankfully with this, the coldest core is actually going to be up into New England, where they're talking wind chills and feels like temperatures as low as likely -40 to -50. We won't be as brutal, but it will be noticeably colder through your Friday, where temperatures hover in the teens and wind chills through the day single digits to a little bit below 0, especially during that morning commute on your Friday. So it will be a cold end to the work week, and with that drop will come a little bit of snow. Tonight, just looking for some scattered clouds. It may take a second in the morning to get that sun to pop back out, but generally a mostly sunny afternoon. High temperatures on your Thursday, mid to upper 30s. So we'll melt a little bit of that snow that's sitting on the ground before trying to put a little more back in tomorrow night. By the late evening hours, that cold front starts pushing through, and we're going to start looking for snow showers developing. This could come as those bursts that try and drop visibility and put down a quick coating to perhaps a fluffy inch of snow before it sets up for lake effect into the overnight and parts of your Friday. Now, what we're watching closely will be this band that you're going to see coming together here. That's connected to Lake Huron. If we see that set up and move over our viewing area, areas under that could pick up a quick fluffy inch or two in a short amount of time. Elsewhere, we'll still have some scattered snow, but it's not going to add up to a whole lot. The main thing you'll deal with on your Friday are the cold temperatures, but what little snow does come down could allow for things to slicken up. With the cold air in place, we won't have any trouble seeing that snow sticking. So it will be a cold and blustery end to the week, so enjoy this brief warm-up. Tonight we're going to 16 degrees. The morning commute, no travel concerns at all. We'll be looking for the clouds thinning out and the sun popping back up with a 38-degree high for the afternoon. That's much better than how it was out there for today. Then the temperatures dropping on your Friday, feeling much colder, but it won't last long. By Saturday, the highs rushing back up to the low 30s and then continuing to climb to end the weekend. 40s on Sunday and Monday. We're going to try and get into the 50s on Tuesday. That will be our next chance for precipitation. So another stretch of some quiet weather with a little bit of sunshine.